Yeah, 862, we're at Gulf 8. They still haven't hooked up ground power. I'm going to leave the AP running.
148 at Fox 15.
Yeah, 2148, guys.
One of flight.
Okay, do you have a location?
I think 952 was the number.
952, alright.
4682. Maintenance coordinator, shift 7524.
7524, go ahead.
Yeah, needed MRD.
Alright, copy that. One MRD, we'll get it out to you.
Please. Bravo 24. Super Bay 792.
Go ahead.
Alright, everything checked. We have 5 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, 1021, Seagate Delta 4, D4 open.
Delta 4, thanks so much. 1721.
1721.
Yeah, flight attendants say they need a couple more seatbelt extensions. Do you guys have those, or should I call maintenance?
0225.
Copy. Maintenance 871.
871, go ahead.
Yeah, gate Fox 13, we need 2 seatbelt extensions.
Copy that. Copy that, Echo 9, D minus 7, Echo 12, D minus 6. Nice job, guys. 416, go ahead.
Yeah, we're fucking. This is going to be a while. I'm here. I was just wondering if you could bring some blue tape out for us. We got a little panel right in the galley where the passengers walk in. Wanted to get it.
Okay, we'll bring some tape out.
All right.
Alaska 613 on the ground for Bravo 7. Bravo 7.
Operations, this is SkyWest 6029. We're on the ground holding Foxtrot 9. Wondering about how long we're waiting. Thank you, SkyWest 6029.
Go ahead. Thank you so much.
Disregard, they just started pulling it.
As you confirm, the flight number was a Dynasty 516. Go ahead.
Still full for us, but the water's good.
5165. Your primary frequency 843, secondary 5574 at 150 west, primary 17946, secondary frequency 10048. How copy?
Primary secondary 5574 at 150 west, primary 17, secondary 10051.
Roger, sir. Have a good flight today.
Thank you, sir.
Can we get ground power at Bravo 7, please?
871.
871, go ahead.
The row 3, I think the 3A side, the overhead bin won't latch. Right up's going in now.
Okay, row 3, do you have them try moving some of the bags around?
Yeah, they tried, moving bags and closing it like they mean it and like getting it from the top and it still won't latch.
29.
7572, go ahead. Okay, 1 Alpha header, that's copy.
Appreciate it.
Hey, Ops 1417. So we're supposed to have 38.5 on the gas, and they stopped at 26.1, and he's not here anymore. What if we call him back for some more gas? You're the greatest, thank you.
Negative, we have no idea. They're in the bathroom right now, and they're not really responding. Well, we're not sure of the situation either way. We're just saying you might have to have gate agent come back to the gate.
Ops 858. Hey, they're going to hook up the ground power. Thanks. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Frontier 4276. Frontier 4276.
Atlanta Radio, is their flight calling in? What's the out number? Copy 1438. Off is 1452. Copy for Delta 920.
Frontier 4276, stand by for dispatch.
Hey, maintenance aircraft, 2147.
Yeah, 2147, go ahead.
Just did the walk around of it. Number 2 engine pylon, the inboard side. It looks like one of the latches on the pylon is not secure. Sticking open.
Okay, latch on the inboard side of number 2 engine pylon.
Frontier 46, go for dispatch.
Hey, Ops 1175. Hey, can you just ask the ground crew to disconnect the external air? I think they have one hooked up. They could pull it.
Not a problem. San Francisco 526.
Copy, Seattle, last hour departure, U6. Nice job, everybody.
Ops, SkyWest 5332.
Hey, just double checking in on our gate. Are you showing Fox 7? Okay, thank you so much.
Ramp to United 2863, Bravo inbound for Fox 12. United 2863 for Fox 12.
Fox 12.
Morning operations, United 2448.
2448.
We just got here to gate Bravo 10. We need a jet bridge driver, please. All right, thank you.
Operations United 2863.
2863.
Out of curiosity, you know what's going on at gate F12? Okay. I just seen a bunch of guys under the jet bridge, but okay. Okay.
Good morning, outside Echo.
We've been sitting here for a while, and now we're going to need to be fueled back up to our original quantity, so 13.2.
Maintenance ship 4014.
4014, go ahead.
Hey, we're holding short out here to a left on taxi. Yeah, we found CAT III INOP on the status page 2 only.
All right, CAT 3 INOP, CAT 2 only, standby.
Now we've also got unable to go into managed speed. We got blue over blue on the PFD.
Say that again for your PFD.
Disregard on the PFD. We just see CAT 3 INOP on the status page.
Okay, CAT 3 INOP status, standby. 2623, go.
Hey, sounds like we're waiting on over here on the holding pad, checking up on the gate.
And 2623, currently occupying the gate is SkyWest 6228. It is adjusted to a 9:30 departure time. Looks like ramp is coming off. I'd give it another 5 to 7 minutes before we clear the gate for you. But we are going to ask 2623.
Thanks for the info, United 2623.
Back 1 and 2 off then on for how long?
Leave it off for 5 seconds and turn it back on.
All right, back 1 and then 2 off for 5 seconds, then we'll turn them both back on. Standby. Maintenance ship 4014, back 1 and 2 are back in. We still show CAT 3 inoperative on the status page.
Okay, copy, standby. Okay, 4014, we'll have to reset your FMGC.
All right, copy that. We're probably going to have to move here in just a moment. Give us a moment to find a new location to sit.
Okay, we'll stand by for you.
Thanks.
There's a two-second break we need to pull.
Operations guys 5485, just checking on the status of gate Foxtrot 8. Thank you very much.
Maintenance ship 4014.
4014, go ahead.
Yeah, we're in a good spot now. We can go ahead and perform that FMGC reset on your direction.
Hey, 4014, before that, I just want to verify, do you have any upper ECAM message?
No upper ECAM message, and nothing when we hit the recall button either.
And your primary flight display on the top, do you read 1FD2?
Affirmative on both PFDs.
Okay, 4014, on your overhead panel, 49VU, can you cycle Bravo 2 and behind FO Mike 17? Put that up for about 30 seconds and push it back in. It'll probably take a couple minutes for a full reset.
Okay, Bravo 2 and Mike 17, we'll pull them both out, count to 30, then we'll push them back in. We'll wait for the ECAM to clear. We'll call you back. Thanks.
Copy that. Thank you.
United 26.
And 2623, looks like we've adjusted the departure time to a 9:40 for SkyWest 60. Shocks are coming off and they should be pushing out momentarily. 2623.
All right, thanks.
Maintenance ship 4014.
4014, go ahead.
All right, breakers were reset after the allotted time. We waited for 2 minutes, and we still show CAT 3 inoperative.
Yeah, 4014 at this time, I would suggest you call Tom C there, see if they have any other reset for you. If not, we might need to bring you back to the gate.
All right, we'll give Tom C a call. Thank you.
And United 2623 Houston, looks like SkyWest 6228 is pushing out of the gate for Echo 6. Coordinate with ramp tower for gate.
28623.
Signature flex jet 220. Yeah, boss, about 30 minutes. We're dropping off 2. We'll be with you about 2 hours and then go back out empty. I know we'll need fuel before we go. That's about it. Maybe one luggage cart for now. Yep, thank you, boss. Appreciate it. If it's better to fuel when we first get there, whenever y'all want to do it, we're on your schedule. Perfect. Thank you, boss. See you in a while.
Operations 6, I just got word that our waste...
Apologies, 23. At gate.
United 893. We're going to need one more blanket pillow set for the pilots at gate G1. Thank you, sir.
28 operations, ready?
Operations United 893. Yeah, after further count, we're going to need 2 whole blanket pillow sets for the cockpit, please.
Operations United 2027. Hey, good morning, 2027. We're going to Salt Lake City. We are, looks like we're going to be a gate return for 2027 for maintenance. Yep, we talked to Tom C and local maintenance, and we basically tried resets, and we need 2027, yeah, sure. We just need a gate for 2027.
Good morning, 1391, Seagate Delta 3, open.
Alright, see you.
Okay.
Yeah, we just got off the phone with Tom C. We're going to be a gate return. We're figuring out which gate we're going to be going back to now.
Okay, copy that. Yeah, we'll coordinate with ops here and find you a gate, and we'll see you there.
Okay, yeah, I'm going to go flip back over to ops, and we'll see you at whatever gate we head to for 2027 4014.
Copy that.
Headed 2027. Yeah, 2027. Maintenance is advised that we will be returning to gate. As soon as you guys figure out what gate we can go back to, we'll start heading back that way. Okay, copy. 25 to 30 minute wait for the gate for United 2027. Thanks.
Ops 1557. Hello, we're at Fox 19. Flight attendants would like an in-flight customer kit.
7.
Thank you so much.
Maintenance, nose 3247.
Aircraft, call maintenance, go ahead.
Yeah, it's 0247, Fox 14. I just sent in an ELB. They're missing a Sharpie container.
20 minutes from landing. Just want to give you all a heads up. We're no APU, so we're going to need to ground power connected before we can shut down the engine. Y'all could also get a high pressure cart prepared for our departure as well. Thank you.
2027. Yep, 2027, Tower just told us we're going to be holding over near spot 11-2 or 11-1, and we're going to wait for you guys to, but it's still going to be a while. Okay, do you have a flight number on Delta 9? Okay, we'll talk to you guys in a bit, 2027.
Okay, big insecure. November 665, Kilo Lima San Francisco. November 665, Kilo Lima San Francisco. Getting in the blind. Contact Los Angeles Center 119.35. 119.35. San Francisco, ops, Southwest 1460.
1463, is that you?
We're still airborne. We're 20 minutes out, 20 minutes out. We've got a female that was ill on the aircraft and pre-boarder, so we're already anticipating a wheelchair being available for her, but we would, the flight attendants are requesting that maybe EMS go ahead and meet us at the gate. Can you have that arranged, please?
Yes, we'll get that arranged. Yep. It's passengers still conscious, everything's, the health condition, everything's good?
Yeah, she's conscious. She's speaking to them. Her English is limited. She's in seat 9er F, Foxtrot. And so you probably have her name or information already. San Francisco is her destination. But yeah, she's aware. She's conscious. Not on any medications that we're aware of. But we're not declaring a medical or anything like that. I just want EMS to...
Copy, 1463, we'll get the paramedics to meet the plane.
Thank you.
7594, go ahead.
Yeah, 7594, we attached to 11, we have 2 infant life vests.
2 infant life vests, on the way.
Okay, do you need a write-up for that?
No, it's okay. We're just going to give it to you.
It's nose 247 on Fox 14.
So 247, call maintenance?
Yeah, I'm going to send you another ELB here. The L1PA is not working. They can't make announcements and they can't call each other. It was just working a second ago, too.
Okay, L1PA in op. I just want to make sure your battery switch on.
Say that again? Yeah, battery's on.
Can you check if your battery switch is on?
Not working. Maintenance 247, you can cancel that. I haven't sent it yet. They got it to work somehow.
Okay, copy that.
Thank you.
MID still good.
Thank you.
Ops United 3.
Hello, full stop.
Message to Delta 9.
Just have like
Operations 2027.
Okay, 10 Alpha, seat cushion replacement. Go ahead, put it in the book, please.
Okay, I'll put it in the book for you.
Planning on Delta 9er, quite a while now.
United 20.
Copy Delta 5, United 2027. Yeah, go for 2027.
As of right now, we have moved you to gate Delta 5.
Okay, copy Delta 5, and there are any updates?
Gate F14.
247, go ahead.
Hey, I looked in the logbook. Our number one engine on the left fan components, it looks like it's been blended, but I couldn't find it. Is there a...
What engine was it?
Left engine, number one, blade number 3.
Let me look into it, see what I can find.
108.
108, go ahead.
Yeah, Fox 21, the bulkhead at door T right, to the behind door T right is loose.
Okay, you're talking about the class divider?
Affirmative.
All right, make a right up, please. Right-hand class divider.
Wilco.
Operation is the 661 at started Echo 10.
2661, go ahead.
Okay, can you get someone to disconnect the air, please? It's blowing pretty hot. I tried to get someone to get it cooler, but it's not doing anything. It's blowing a lot of hot air onto the airplane.
All right, copy that. Echo 10, 2661, disconnect 7.
Okay, thank you.
577 down, heading to Bravo 6.
77 Bravo 6, Carousel 3.
27 from operation.
Go for 2027.
For you in the next 5 minutes.
Okay, 2027, copy that, and we will start making some progress here. I go for 2027.
Just a heads up, tug 1515, that's the team that's going to be calling for push clearance off of D5. If you want to monitor ground, that would be perfect, so they know when to move you off the gate.
2027, roger. Yeah, we're on with ramp right now, and looking at it. Thanks.
Yep, no problem. And like I said, it's tug number 5 that's going to be calling for push. Thank you.
All right, tug 15, 2027.
319er, we entered that in our flight plan. It doesn't pop up, so we need to just pull that sticker.
3, so gate Delta 6, D6 is open. Paramedics will be at the gate.
Okay, thanks.
976, maintenance.
Go ahead.
Yeah, that one is a clear lap page, we just probably forgot to pull it off. Can you remove it?
Yep, we're pulling it, and then we'll just stand by for the MRD.
Thank you.
One more question, 976. I think I know the answer. You're not coming back on board the aircraft for that seat anymore, are you? You're just MRD and we'll be good?
Negative. We have to come back. We have to put an INOP sticker.
Okay, so we'll make sure we keep the door open. Thank you.